This is Susie, our American bald eagle. Thank you. Bald eagles can be found from Alaska all the way down to Florida. They are also known as the emblem of United States of America. Bald eagles are known to build really huge nests, which can weigh up to 2 tons. If you wonder how big their nest is, take a look at the pond behind me. That will give you the idea of the size of their nest. Now take a close look at Susie. Do you think she's bald? No? Then why are they known as the bald eagles? Does anyone know? This is because the term bald is an older English word, which means white head, hence the name. By the way, she's 15 years old this year. Thank you very much, Susie, our American bald eagle. Thank you. Birds of prey can also be found right here in Singapore. The largest birds of prey that you can find right over ready. And look, right back there. Let's welcome Sabria. Here he comes. It's Coast the Snake going for it. And he's got it. Let's give a big hand, everyone. Sea eagles have very skinny legs which help them to prevent injuries caused by their prey, and rough undersides which enables them to hold on to their struggling and slippery prey. Birds of prey are generally very possessive over their catch. They do not can be found from Southeast Asia all the way down to Australia. Some of you must be wondering, why are they known as the white-bellied sea eagles when he is brown in color? Am I right? This is because he is still very young. He's just 3 years old this year. When they're about 5 to 6 years old, that's when the feathers from head all the way down to belly turns completely white. Hence the name white-bellied sea eagles. Thank you very much, Satria, our young and handsome white-bellied sea eagle. Our next species of bird of prey has keen sense of smell. He can pick up the stench of rotting meat from miles away. Do you know what type of bird of prey I'm talking about? It is a vulture. Now everyone, look right back there. That is Titan, our turkey vulture. Oh, look at that flight. Turkey vultures can be found from tip of Canada all the way down to tip of South America. They are known as the smoke signals because when other species of vultures see them descending, they follow suit. Although they are the first one to reach upon a carcass, they might not be able to tear open a huge carcass like a buffalo carcass because buffaloes have very tough and thick skin. Turkey vultures' beaks are not strong enough to tear open it. So they have to wait for a large. Now you heard him flapping his wings when he's flying low above you. Am I right? This is because unlike other birds of prey, owls have very soft edges at the tip of their feathers. So the sound frequency created by the wing flaps will be absorbed by those feathers. That's not the only reason, everyone. There's another reason too. What do owls mainly hunt for at night? Mice and rats, well done. Rodents. Rodents come out at night and rodents have very acute sense of hearing. So the owls have to be extremely silent to catch their prey without being detected at all. By the way, this is Belang, our Malay fish owl. Malay fish owls can be found in Southeast Asia. And they are very unique species of owls because they have evolved to hunt for fish. Now look at who's joining us. That's Adric, our barn owl. Barn owls are the most commonly found owls throughout the world, except in Antarctica. They have hypersensitive hearing, which allows them to hunt in total darkness. Can you imagine that? They pounce on their prey by just listening to the movement of their prey. Pretty interesting, right? By the way, Belang and Edric are very special to us because they were hatched and raised right here in the Jurong Bird Park at our Breeding and Research Center, which is located right back there. Belang is 9 years old this year. How old do you think Edric is? 3 years. Well done, so you could answer right. Wait a minute. I forgot tied to the stick. Yeah, there you go. So ladies and gentlemen, are you ready for this? And with that, let's welcome Rado. Here he comes. And it does smash there. All right, young man, it's your turn now. Wow, good flight, Rado. Stretch high. And, oh, look at him. He's planning for another smash. He's looking. He's going to go for it. And look at him, he take off. And he's got it. Let's give a big hand, everyone. Well done, guys. You did it. Let's give a big round of applause for their bravery, everyone. Okay, looks like Rado done a very good job. Now he will be joined by the rest of his friends. Ladies and gentlemen, Brahmani kites can be found in Southeast Asia. And besides being a good snatcher, they are also known to catch food in mid-air. I'm going to throw 10 pieces of meat up in the air. Now let's see how many they can get. Do you think they can get 10 out of 10? Yes, okay, I want you to count along with me, alright? Okay, there you go. Wow, that's a very good catch. 2. You managed to catch it. Yeah, that's great. That's great. 5. Oh, very close. How many more to go? 4 more to go. Okay. Wow. 6. Guys, it's okay. All right, how many more to go? I think I lost my count. 3? Okay, there you go. 8. 9. And last but not least, that's great. 8 out of 10 or 9 out of 10. 8 out of 10, don't you think it's great? Let's give them a big round of applause, everyone. Alright guys, goodbye, see you later. So it looks like you guys had some fun. Do you want to have more fun? Alright, I need one more volunteer. But this time, I need the help of an adult volunteer. How about a brave, strong gentleman to help me out? Yes, you, sir. The black t-shirt. Let's give him some encouragement, everyone. Hello. Right, let's stand right over here. Now tell everyone what is your name and where you're from.
My name is Song Song Lee from Korea.
Okay,
just call me Jason and from Korea.
Jason from Korea. Welcome to Jurong Bird Park and welcome to Singapore, Jason. Jason, have you ever handled any birds of prey before?
No, never.
Well, today is your very lucky day. You're going to handle one very soon. Are you excited?
Yeah, really excited.
Are you nervous?
Yeah. No.
No? Let's get you started then. Put this on your left hand. Make sure it fits very well. Once you're comfortable, face the audience and stretch your arm out like this. Right, now Jason, you're going to handle a big bird of prey, like about this size. So when it lands, it's going to make a huge impact like this. Are you able to keep still?